So I had my Ryker Rally for over 9 months now, and I'ma tell y'all what I think about it. You already know it's your boy Diego Cruz, and you are watching the one, the only Cruise Control. You know what I mean? It's Cruise Control. I'm here, man, and I'ma just tell y'all what I think. I done had this bike for 9 months now, and I'ma just give y'all my thoughts on it. You know, what I think, how I feel personally. And got my boy, you know who it is, D Money. You already know. We just doing a little ride the other day, so I figured I use the extra footage as a time to talk to y'all about the Ryker, man. I done had the bike for about 9 months now, so a little over 4,000 miles. Should be more, but I took a little hiatus, you know, but we right back. It ain't no big deal. Um, and I just tell you, man, first off, man, I love the bike, man. I love the bike, you know. I mean, you just get on it and go. It's just all fun. As y'all can see in the video, I done took my windshield off, and hey, we still hitting the highway. We still getting it, man. I mean, it don't matter. There's so many different ways you can customize and change for your fittings. It's hard not to like it. You know what I mean? And 4,000 miles, I had no issues out the bike whatsoever. And it's been running good. I see a lot of people getting these error codes and stuff, and I don't know what's causing it, but you know, that happens, man. I mean, people get check engine lights all the time, cars, so it's nothing different. I haven't had one personally, but so I don't really have any bad things to say about the Ryker, man. I mean, I love it, man. I got the rally version. I haven't drove a 600 or a Ace 900, so I can't do any kind of comparisons. I could just tell you about me and the Street Shark, and we gets going. You know what I mean? We get going. Like I said, first off, the main thing I love is the customization. Even though you find situations where you have things in common, like the Ryker chick, we got the same rap. Like I mean, how could that happen? I don't know her, she don't know me. It's actually a very weird pattern rap to choose, but we both chose it. So I mean, it's no different. If you got an F-150, if somebody else got an F-150 look like yours, that's part of it. And if you want to change it, you can change it. It's that simple, you know. But the customization, that's the main thing I love about the bikes. I mean, I watch everybody videos, Shadow Black, Ryker Life Riders, Flipping Out, Doc Holliday, Thrill Mouse, Ride About Now, Ryker Rising. You see so many Rykers and all of them look different. Every now and again, like even D Money, done no painting, no wrapping. You think his bike look regular, but when you get up close, you see the grill, you see the seat change, you see the handlebar change, you see, you know what I mean? You see, it's you can just make sure that they fit for what you want it to do, and that's what I like about the Ryker. It fits for what you want it to do. If you want it to be a touring video like the Ryker chick, you know, you can put extra luggage on there, extra storage. You know, if you just want to zip around like a street bike, like a naked rider, like you can do that. Like it fits for what you want it to do. If you want it to do something, you could probably get it to do it. You might need to stop at the gas station a little more than other riders, but you can get it to do it. You know what I mean? It's it's just a fun little machine, man. I love it to death. I still get that two-wheel itch from time and time again. I actually rode a 2013 Honda Man, this bike had 76 miles on it. And it was for a steal price. I ain't gonna tell y'all about it because I don't want nobody to go out and get it. But that might be happening soon on the channel. But like I said, 4,000 miles on the bike. I haven't even got an oil change yet. Haven't even changed the oil yet. You know what I mean? And it's running like a champ, as y'all see in the videos. We moving, we grooving. I want to give a shout out to King Jaffe Joe, Grumpy Ryker. You know what I mean? I gotta shout y'all out. With y'all help, we got that mic under control. So after this, new videos coming up should be crispy. You know what I mean? Crispy videos. And it should all be good. But Can-am Ryker Rally, man. Or Ryker. If you're thinking about getting one, stop thinking. Just do it. You don't think about buying pants. You go get pants. You don't think about if you should eat today. You go eat. If you're in a position where you can, just do it. It's not too many things that can go bad about doing it. Can-am, y'all need to pay me. Now, y'all need to pay us, the Ryker community, man, because we selling these bikes. But until next time, y'all see me again or hear my voice, you already know it's Cruz.